Hi guys, welcome back to Slice of Heaven Skincare channel. Trust y'all been doing great. Okay, so today's tutorial is going to be on how to make a mulatto super whitening black soap. Okay, so as you can see, I already started making this, to be honest, and then I decided midway to film for you guys. So I'm just going to talk you through basically what I have done so far, and then we're going to be completing this soap together. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so we're just going to get started on our mulatto whitening black soap. Okay, so like I said before in the intro, I did say that I had started making this soap before, of course, I decided to film for you guys. So I'm going to just be walking you guys through what has been added so far into the soap. Okay, but first of all, please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button right now. Please show me some love. Hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time that I upload a new video. Don't forget to like and share my videos. Of course, if you would want to buy any of my handmade products from Slice of Heaven Skincare, please check for the number that is flashing right now, the WhatsApp number. You can place your order for my handmade products from Slice of Heaven Skincare. And if you also want to get other products that I review on my channel, you can also get that as well. So make sure you check the description box, and all of that information will be right there. Okay, so what have I added into the soap right up to this moment? I added 2 packs of Gummy Black Soap, 1 wrap of the Gummy Black Soap. Now the Gummy Black Soap is a special kind of soap. It is a special kind of black soap. It already on its own, it glows, it super glows the skin. It has a lot of repair benefits and it's just totally amazing. I also added a medium bar of the pink ozone soap. I added 1 bar of Kampala soap, and then I also added 150 ml of honey, and then I added 250 ml of our platinum whitening body wash from Slice of Heaven Skincare. You can also use any good whitening body wash of your choice. You just need 250 ml. Don't worry, all of the correct measurements and everything is going to be in the description box, so you can actually look and be sure of all the things that I added. I also added 2 7-day serum, okay, Skin Perfector serum, 7-day serum. I added 2 bottles of that. I added 1 tablespoon of lactic acid. I added 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Make sure you use the cold pressed coconut oil. I don't like to use the hot press because the cold press has most of the benefits of the actual coconut oil, so I use the cold pressed one. And if you're asking, oh, what's the difference, the hot pressed coconut oil has a yellow color, while the cold pressed coconut oil has a transparent color. Okay, it almost looks like water. Okay, I also added one container, or 500 ml rather, of cottage black soap. Okay, I added 3 tablespoons of 42 hours cleanser. I added 4 tablespoons of Veet Kojic oil, and I added 3 tablespoons of whitening glycerine. I added 1 teaspoon of lavender oil. I also added my Omi Aro. If you know Omi Aro is a herbal water. It is derived from the making of black soap. Okay, in the process of making black soap, this water is extracted and it is also sold. So it's a repair kind of herbal water. It takes away, blemishes. It helps to treat blemishes on the skin, rashes, acne, and all that kind of stuff. So I also added that into our soap. I added 5 tablespoons of Ghana hot oil. I added half bottle of white now oil. I added 2 tablespoons of papaya oil, 3 tablespoons of my special glow oil from Slice of Heaven Skincare. You can add any good serum or any good glow oil from that you can find anywhere close to you. I added 1 tablespoon of turmeric oil. I added 2 tablespoons of neem oil, and I added 1 teaspoon of lemon essential oil. Okay, I also added 50 ml of palm oil, and I also added half teaspoon of tea tree oil. Okay, so guys, this is all that I have added into the soap already. And what I did is, as you can see, I actually soaked it overnight. So you can soak it for 24 hours so that it gets to have this gummy texture that you can see right here. So I did soak it for overnight. You can actually soak for 24 hours or even 48 hours depending on how long you want to soak it for. So at this point now, I'm going to be adding my herbal powders and the whitening powders I want to use to activate this soap, and I'm also going to be adding my preservative last. Okay, so just stay tuned while we work. Okay, so I'm just going to be adding my herbs and my whitening powders. Okay, so this is my gigawhite powder. I have mixed my gigawhite powder with rose water, so I'm just going to be pouring it into the soap. I also mixed my Kojic Diffamate powder, Kojic dip. I mixed this with my oil, sunflower oil. Okay, so I'm going to be adding it also. All the measurements are going to be in the description box. Okay, so gigawhite powder and kojic acid powder, kojic dip, because I use kojic dip. I didn't use kojic acid, I use kojic dip. That's kojic diffamate powder. Is a more stable version of kojic acid and doesn't break down as easily as kojic acid. So just adding that in here. Sorry about the noise, guys. I have some people working in my house, so it's really noisy and stuff. So I'm going to be adding other powders, turmeric powder, sandalwood powder, my cinnamon, my baobab powder, and this is my special whitening and anti-spot powder. And then I'm also going to be adding my rice powder in here. Okay, so I'm just going to pour them. All of the measurements, like I said, it's all going to be in the description bar or box. Okay. So next set of powders, I'm going to be adding Snow White powder, licorice, my pineapple powder. This smells so damn good. My mulberry as well. Okay, my Snow White powder. I'm just going to pour them in here. My vitamin B3 powder as well. So these are whitening powders, repair powders, just to make this soap very rich. Okay, most of these powders are going to brighten the skin, repair the skin nicely. I have aloe vera powder in here as well, mulberry, just so many wonderful stuff, herbal powders and additives that are just going to make the skin repair the skin, nourish the skin, and just clarify the skin, exfoliate, and just do a couple of really wonderful stuff on the skin. So this is a very, very, very rich soap, guys. Okay, so that's it. So we're just going to mix it in, okay? Mix it properly. Okay guys, so I have mixed the soap. You can see how it looks. I've mixed all the powders in it and all that. So I want it to be a bit more like a jelly-like, you know, consistency. I don't want it to be this thick. So I'm going to be adding 50 more ml of my whitening glycerine. Okay. So I'm also going to be adding 50 more ml of my honey. Make sure to always use original honey, okay? Honey actually glows the skin. It really adds like a really nice glow, and it also has antibacterial properties and also heals the skin. And it's an amazing moisturizer. So just adding it. Okay guys, so we're done mixing our soap. This is a lot of work. Like, if you haven't eaten, make sure that you don't try to make black soap. So make sure you always eat well before you do this, because it's going to require a lot of power and strength and might. Okay guys, so I have mixed the soap properly. Can you see how like jelly and lush this soap is going to repair your skin? It's gonna be amazing. It's going to be really nice on your skin. It will repair your skin, it will brighten your skin, it will whiten your skin as you use it, you know, consistently. You're gonna get absolutely amazing results from our Mulatto whitening black soap. Okay, so you can actually leave this soap, okay, as it is. You can leave it for another 24 hours if you want it to be, you know, to continue to soften and the texture to be smoother, okay? But for me, because I'm going to be selling this off right away, I'm going to use my hand blender, okay, to mix it again, or my mixer rather, to mix it again, because I want to have like a better consistency, and I just want everything to just incorporate nicely. You can see essential oils check, botanical carrot oils check, whitening actives check, and of course all the herbs and herbal extracts check. Look at it, like it smells heavenly because of the honey, especially. Like, it just smells so damn good. And as you see, it's not going to be too drying on the skin because, you know, I've added a lot of like glycerine, honey, and all of that. So this soap is just really nicely formulated. Okay guys, so I'm just going to be doing like the hand blending thing or mixing thing, and then I'll be right back to show you how the final consistency looks. Okay. Hi guys. Okay, so after using my mixer, this is the final outcome of the soap. Can you see how really nice it is? It's like chocolate. Yeah, so look at how lush it is. Texture is beautiful. So this is our Mulatto whitening black soap, guys. If you want your texture to be gummier, like a gummy texture, then add more honey. If you want your soap to have this really shiny softer texture, then you should add more of your whitening glycerine. But if you just want your soap to be like maybe a little bit softer than this, you can add more of the whitening wash that we used to soak the soap like in the beginning. Okay, like I said, I use our platinum luxury whitening wash when I wanted to soak the soap, but you can use like any whitening wash that you like. Okay, so yeah, this is the texture of it. Like, it gives an instant glow. Like, I use it to wash my hands. Can you see my skin? Like, it's just so beautiful, guys. Like, so beautiful. Gives an instant glow. It will thoroughly cleanse your skin. It will repair your skin. It will tone your skin absolutely beautifully. So yeah, guys, so this is it for our Mulatto whitening black soap. If you have any questions or whatever, do let me know. Okay, send me a message, you know, leave a comment, and then also try it out. Let me know how you did with, you know, your own version of this soap. But this is just a very rich soap, guys. I am so loving this soap. It is amazing, and it will just glow your skin gorgeously. So when using any black soap, don't forget to moisturize nicely. Always moisturize, guys. Okay, moisturize after using your black soaps. You know, make sure that you restore like a lot of hydration to your skin. So if you managed to watch this video till this point, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time that I upload a video. Okay, guys, so make sure you like and share my videos. Don't forget to leave a comment whenever you try, you know, any of the recipes that I dropped, because I'd be happy to hear, you know, how nicely you did. Okay, so this is it for this video today. Thank you so much for watching, and for the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. For the old subscribers, you know I love you, so I love you guys. Have a super blessed week. Bye, guys.